Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am actually doing a gift for my cousin. This will be for my cousin Evan. He and I have actually done a video together, so I'll put that in the description if you're interested. And this video isn't going to go up until after he's seen it, so the surprise can't be ruined. His confirmation at his church is coming up, and my family and I wanted to give him a kind of personalized cross that he can put up in his room or take places, whatever he wants to do. We are also surprising him with a black light flashlight, and we know he likes to go camping, so we thought either this could be used with that or for some other fun things. We have some invisible ink pens and things like that, so hopefully it'll all together be kind of a fun gift. I have mixed together a ton of neon colors. I actually went out and got some of these specifically for this project because I was missing purple and blue and I think green as well. So I just went out and grabbed a bunch. The colors will all be listed in the description down below. Now for these wooden shapes, I usually do a ribbon pour where I put all the colors in the cup and just pour it across because that gives me a little bit more control when it's a weird shape. So I'm going to go ahead and layer the colors in and then we'll get going. Okay, this looks really cool. I ended up adding this kind of ribbon of the more cool colors because I thought it was just too much orange on the sides. And now I'd like to see what it looks like under regular light. Oh, cool. Wow, it looks really different. I mean, I kind of already knew that neons look different under different lights, but it looks really different. I love the cells. I don't actually know where those are coming from because other than maybe just mixing a lot and adding in air bubbles, because there's definitely no silicone, and it's just my regular Floetrol mix. Though I don't know if I've used all of these neons together before. I also mixed it a little thinner than usual, so maybe it's just some of the consistency changing. I think we need to let this sit for a little bit because I see cells still developing, and then we will come back and take a closer look. So it has been about probably 15 minutes. I actually brought my parents up here to give the okay on it, and it's changed quite a lot since then. So let's go in for a closer look, and then we'll go in for a look under the black light as well. I love the cells. I don't know why we got so many, but I'm really into it. Actually, the white I used is different from what I usually use, so maybe I should do some more experiments with that. So cool. Plus, of course, as I always mention to people, these colors will dry a little bit darker because the Floetrol right now is making them look a little bit more pastel, but the Floetrol will dry clear. Okay, let's flip off the light and look again. See, it looks totally different. So we'll start up here again. I'm going to have to kind of go at an angle so you can still see the light. Ugh, this looks so cool. You can still see some of the cells, and a little bit more of the orange is peeking through, which is cool. My dad swears that he can see a face in here, so let me know if you see that as well. I think he said it was like up this way. Could be like an alien face. Okay, so I think that's it for this painting. I'm going to go ahead and move it aside and maybe do some more tonight if I can. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry and hope that it looks just as cool dry as it does now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment down below. Do you think you see a face as well? If not, do you see any other shapes? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.